I like the way that traffic light is just in the right position to make it from an R rated to a G rated. Welcome to Life at Kathy. All right. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it's been a strange week. We've gone from 70-degree weather, nice and sunny, to thunderstorms, raining, and possibly even tornado watches, and cold temperatures. But we've still got a lot done. We did take one day off and went to the movies. We saw 80 for Brady. Not a bad movie. Not the best I've seen, but it's a good little comedy. If you like action-packed adventure ones, no. But it's a good comedy. Let's see, what else did we do? We continued cleaning up the trees that had been that we had taken down, and the pruning that we've done. We also rotated the pantry. Organized it a little bit better. There's always have to rotate the pantry. Always. Seems like that's a never-ending job. I did prune a little bit more on the trees. I pruned the Rose of Sharons that are in the bird garden. They were at uneven height, and I decided to make them all the same height. And I finished cleaning out the bird garden. So the daffodils are coming up now. They're about 4 inches tall and got nice little buds on them. What else did I do? Sprayed the fruit trees. I gave them their late winter dormant spray. Now this is a spray that kills the bugs that are trying to find a home over the winter to stay nice and cozy. It's an oil that kind of suffocates them and doesn't let them come out. And it also helps with the fungi and stuff. So what I need to do also, which I meant to do before this rain moved in, was put some ground cover over the around the trees, fertilize the trees, and put some ground cover around them, and then put a mulch over them to help, because we had brown rot for the last 2 years that I'm trying to conquer. So I'm spraying the trees, going to put the ground cover on, hopefully be able to mulch that, and hopefully we'll have a better harvest of the fruits this year. Another thing we did was that we went to the gym 3 times this week, and we also took a trip down to Louisville. And I'll show you some of the things that we did down there. It was very interesting. I've never been to Louisville a lot for the Belle of Louisville and for the museum when the kids were younger, but I haven't really been downtown, the downtown part, like Main Street and stuff. So we kind of walked down Main Street, and that was interesting. We hadn't done that before. Alright, oh, I love that.
I just think this is
I'm trying to get the Grady song on I can't tell you how many phones I've been took over. Just being worked at the counter. Oh, that's funny. I tried to duck and hide.
Who is it?
GSF?
From our stay at the Grady.
I love that chandelier.
Well, great story time. Like she was saying, the building and later turned into Swan Abrams Cat Company. one has a guarantee. Those are remakes, but the original was about the size of a dollar coin, and on the opposite side was a wishbone, four-leaf clover, and a horseshoe upright for holding all the good luck. After that, I believe it was a law firm building or something like that, and then they turned it into the grading. It's only it would make 2 years for us.
Another thing I did was I cleaned out all the cat crates. I washed their bows, cleaned the crates, cleaned the garage so I could get to it. I still have to go through my mom's stuff in the garage. I've gone through most of it, and I've got it down to the stuff that I'm having trouble getting rid of. You know, it's stuff I really don't need, but it's too good to just toss, and it's like, what do I do with it? So I've got that to go through, and I probably will not do that until this summer again. Also, you know, that way the cats will be out. I've got that picnic table I've got to finish redoing. It's in there. I can't do it with the cats in there. So there's a lot of things in the works I need to get done yet that I haven't gotten around to. Also, it's that time of year. The grow lights are on, the heating mats are all heated up, and right now there's 2.5 trays of tomatoes and peppers and celery. Well, the heating mats are on and the lights are on, and we've got 2.5 trays of seeds started, plus the leeks and the onions, which we started before on the heating mat, plus the onions. The onions and the leeks are off the mat and just under lights growing. So, and then I'm planning on next week planting more onions and leeks, so I have a staggering amount, so I don't have them all coming on at once. So that is what we've been doing this week. Remember, dream big, follow that dream, and I hope you have good weather so you can get out there and start doing some stuff outside. So, bye. See you next week.